Hi everyone, Junaid Maya, Master Personal Trainer here. I'm here to help you. I'm here to change your life. But let me tell you a little bit about myself. 15 years in the fitness industry, I've seen ups and downs. I've seen people trying to change their life. I've seen people starting and not completing. What I'm here to try and do is help you get your goals on track. We have helped people from all walks of life, trained athletes. I've actually competed at the highest level. I've helped people with chronic and acute illnesses in regards to my GP referral practice. I've completed rehab where people get people back on their feet, back to a clean bill of health. Success means commitment. Commitment on your path. And don't worry if you tried and failed in the past. This is normal. Everybody tries something and fail. But what we do, we don't lie down. We get up and we get back on it again. I'm here to support you through that. I've got a proven method for success to deliver your results. If you feel you're ready, if you feel you're at a crossroad where you need to make a clear decision on success, I'm here to support you. I'm looking for 21 people who are committed, who knows what they want, who tried all else and failed and feel I've got one more chance for success. If you feel that you're ready and you're committed 100%, I'm committed 100% to help you. Leave your name and information in the details and I will get back to you.